Hello, everybody. Today we are going to take a journey on the Kochi Water Metro. Now, what we have done is we have parked our car very close to the adjacent to the High Court, and we have walking towards the Kochi Water Metro. The Kochi Water Metro is India's first water metro system. It offers modern, efficient, and eco-friendly way to travel through the city's backwaters. And we are getting into the station. The station that we are presently boarding on from is the High Court station. It's very beautiful. You can see the aesthetic designs, and on top you can see Kochi Water High Court, the High Court stop, and we are going in. It's almost like a metro. The only thing is that this time it's on water. So a very eco-friendly way to travel through the city's backwaters. This time we are going to Fort Cochin. The system connects to about 10 islands in the mainland using a fleet of fast hybrid electrical ferries, and it's designed to integrate with the Kochi Metro rail network. This is our waiting place, and now we are getting ready to board the Kochi Water Metro. These use hybrid battery-powered boats that are silent, and they are also non-polluting. They are air-conditioned boats. The terminals are also differently abled with floating pontoons that ensure step-free boarding. You can see the electric charge being given to the boat. And there is also paperless ticketing. A scan and board system allows you to board quickly and seamlessly. You can see two boats over there, and as we enter, you can see it's just like the Kochi Metro. Very clean, very neat, very silent, and of course full of fun. Fully air conditioned, and of course it's made in India. Just like the Vande Bharat, Make in India Water Metro. Also, which actually this system started in April 26, 2023. With initial routes from Vaitila to Kakanad and from High Court to Waipin. This time we are going towards Fort Kochi. It will stop at Waipin also, and we are off. You can see the Kochi skyline, very beautiful skyline, and it picks momentum. It's going fast. The services typically are from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. and also they have provided certain additional services during peak seasons, especially during Onam. And now the departure, you can see the number of other electric services. The minimum fare starts at 20 rupees. You can also use the Kochi One card or the digital scan and board system cards that are available. The system is still expanding, more routes and stations being added in phases, and there is also a plan to have a possible water metro link to Cochin International Airport as well. You now see Volgati Palace as we cruise along, and the next that we soon see is the container terminal, wherein you can see huge ships loading and unloading. These are all beautiful things to see, and it is a must thing that you must come here, experience it. And it's very cheap, the cost is 50 rupees for a one-way ride. It takes you all the way to Fort Cochin. You can see the Goshri bridges, and the next scenery that you will see very soon is the container terminal. You can see the huge gantry cranes that will be taking the load off and on to the ships, because they are colored, they look so beautiful. And the water metro ferry keeps moving, and we soon docking in at Waipin, our first stop. As we move, you can see the huge gantry. See how beautiful they are, how tall they are, so that you know. And if you look at the end, you can find one of them. 4 of them are in the 90 position, 180 position, and 2 are in the 90 position. It's actually because one ship is just going to come.
Oh,
That ship is going to unload its containers over here. And as we move towards the Waipin port, we are going to berth at Waipin for about 5 to 10 minutes so that people can board from the Waipin station, first the terminal, and then off we are going towards Kochi. So see how beautifully the Waipin station is there. You can see on top also a plane is just gone. You can see the contrails in the sky, and as we move towards closer, you can see that the boat is slowing down. People are inside waiting. As soon as the people from inside the boat exit, they will be brought towards the boat, and we are slowly berthing at Waipin. There goes. Let's watch some beautiful scenery as we move towards Fort Kochi. These are boats that are otherwise being traveled, and there goes the huge container. This container is actually moving towards the gantries. We saw that. Look at how many containers are in that ship. So as this ship moves towards the container terminal, a number of these containers will be offloaded. A few will also be onboarded. The ship is huge. You can see that this ship is moving towards the international cargo terminus at Valarpadam. And we keep moving on. Now we are almost reaching the outer sea, but close to the outer sea we bank towards the left because Fort Kochi stop is over there, and we can see that there are some more boats coming in, and as we move towards Fort Cochin, the ripples of the huge ship is pretty big, and we have a little bit of toss and turn, but it's not much. This water metro is very stable. Now we move towards the Fort Kochi terminus. There we are, nearing it. And I hope you had a wonderful experience. On the way, you can also see the Chinese fishing nets. This fishing net is just being taken out. You can see that it's being taken out. And I understand that there are a few fishes inside. So the fishermen will definitely be looking forward to a great catch. So please do subscribe for more travel like this, and I'm sure that you will also enjoy Kochi when you come here. It's very cheap. I'm sure that you will definitely enjoy a once in a lifetime opportunity on the Kochi Water Metro, and of course seeing the city of Cochin. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe for more like this.